Through the ups and downs of history, Kazakhstan remains etched in our minds with vivid images of a diverse and rich land. The intriguing facts about this country resemble colorful paintings, interwoven between the wild nature and profound cultural heritage. Allow me to step into this world full of wonders in the unique style of Nguyen Nhat An. The nation of Kazakhstan stretches like a colossal giant resting amidst the continent, bordered by multiple surrounding countries. It's renowned not only for its vastness but also for the richness of its diverse culture. The three official languages, Kazakh, Russian, and English, paint a multi-hued canvas of ethnic and linguistic diversity. Exploring this land, one cannot forget the city that underwent a miraculous name change, from Astana to Nur-Sultan, following the name of the representative of change and development, President Nur-Sultan Nazarbayev. A prominent example of a young and promising nation's transformation. Much like a mischievous breeze across a meadow, Kazakhstan also offers us magnificent natural wonders. The Kyzylka marshland, a vast expanse within the desert, harbors a region of rich mudflats teeming with diverse fauna and flora. Then there's Lake Balkhash, exhibiting a surprising contrast with its half saltwater and half freshwater sections, like a mysteriously captivating natural artwork. From the majestic mountains to the endless stretches of sand, Kazakhstan displays the grandeur and variety of nature. The Altai National Park, where the grandeur of mountainous landscapes meets biodiversity diversity, is a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. Standing amidst towering peaks, with expansive spaces stretching out, time seems to slow down, allowing us to appreciate this breathtaking beauty. Beyond its grand natural landscapes, Kazakhstan leaves its mark through ancient cultural heritage. The city of Turkestan, with the mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yasawi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, takes us on a journey through time, exploring the magnificent architecture of the Turkic people. With its lush green hills, vast meadows, and extensive fields, Kazakhstan is a land that has witnessed historical fluctuations and continues to develop with the resilient spirits of its people living on this piece of earth. Continuing the journey through this enchanting land, we encounter the windswept plains and boundless steppes that seem to stretch to eternity. These open spaces hold stories of nomadic lifestyles, where the vastness of the land matches the breadth of the dreams that have been woven here for centuries. Kazakhstan's history is intertwined with the cosmos, symbolized by the Baikonur Cosmodrome. This space launch facility has witnessed historic moments, including Yuri Gagarin's iconic journey as the first human to venture into outer space in 1961. Baikonur stands as a testament to humanity's boundless curiosity and quest for exploration. As we wander deeper into this diverse tapestry, we encounter the harmonious melodies of the dombra, a traditional string instrument that resonates with the soul of Kazakhstan. The dombra's enchanting notes echo across the plains and hills, carrying the essence of the nation's cultural heritage. Kazakhstan's significance extends beyond its physical borders. The country plays a substantial role in the global energy landscape, boasting abundant oil reserves. This resource wealth has shaped its economy and positioned it as a key player in the world of energy production and export. Amidst the captivating landscapes and cultural gems, the scars of history are also evident. The Semipalatinsk nuclear test site serves as a haunting reminder of a painful past, where nuclear tests inflicted irreversible damage on the environment and the well-being of the local population. This somber legacy stands as a testament to the need for responsible stewardship of our planet. In this land where time and space seem to dance to a unique rhythm, there's a sense of connection to the Earth's heartbeat. Kazakhstan's varied climate, ranging from the frigid north to the temperate south, creates a harmonious symphony of seasons, each with its own allure. As we conclude this exploration, Kazakhstan emerges as a kaleidoscope of nature's marvels, cultural treasures, and historical lessons. It is a land that resonates with the echoes of ancient traditions and the footprints of progress. Just as a novelist like Nguyen Nhat An weaves stories that touch our hearts, Kazakhstan weaves its narrative into the fabric of our shared human experience.